Good evening, year 11s. I want to respond to this question that was forwarded to me today by Fatima. And the question talks of this triangle, and we are told that OAB is a triangle. OAB is a triangle. X is the midpoint of OA, X is the midpoint of OA, and W is the midpoint of OB. This W is the midpoint of OB. Y is the point on AW such that this is Y, the point on AW, such that AY, the ratio of AY to YW is 2:1. What that means is that the whole vector is divided into 3 portions. This part takes 2 portions, and this part just take 1 portion. 2:1. OX is 3A, from here to here is vector 3A, and OW is 3B. Now, first question, part A, we are told to express in terms of A and B, AW in terms of A and B, AW. AW is just AO plus OW, and AO is minus 6A, because even this vector is 3A, even this one is 3B, simply because X is the midpoint, so 3A, 3A, W is the midpoint here, so 3B, 3B. And we have OA is minus 6A plus 3B, and that is it. That is vector AW. What about vector AY? Vector AY is equals to AY from here to here. It takes 2 portions out of the total 3 of AW. So what that means now, AY is 2/3 of AW, which is minus 6A plus 3B. And AY is equals to, opening the brackets, we have minus 4A. 2/3 times minus 6A is minus 4A, and 2/3 times 3B is plus 2B. And that is now vector AY. That is vector AY. So now we are expected to calculate XB. What is vector XB? Let us just work it out here. Vector which one? XB. XB is equals to XB is XO plus OB, and XO is minus 3A, OB is plus 6B, and that is XB for you. Fine. What about the part B of the question? Part B of the question, and I want us to work it out here together. Part B of the question is asking, show by a vector method that XYB is a straight line. XYB is a straight line, or rather, point X, Y, and B are collinear. That's what we just want to confirm. And we understood sometimes back when we were doing vectors, for us to have collinearity, we have to have 2 vectors which are parallel to each other. And I want to consult part part A of our answers, and we find that we have XB. So within these 3 points, we can have a vector X, Y, and XB. And XY, I don't know whether we have worked out XY. No, we have not. But even if we have not, then we can still work out XY. because xb we know it's minus 3a plus 6b. So what is xy? Xy is we move from here to a is equals to xa plus ay, and xa is simply 3a because it is agreeing with the direction, plus ay, and ay is found here, plus minus 4a plus 2b. Opening the brackets, we have 3a minus 4a plus 2b. Collecting the like terms, we have minus a plus what? Minus a plus 2 plus 2b. Let's see what's happening here. Minus a minus a plus 2b, correct, because of 3a minus 4a is minus a and b is just alone. So this is xy for you, which is minus a plus 2b. And then we compare this with vector xb, because xy is that vector and xb is that other vector. The straight line is now going to be confirmed if we have two vectors within the line that are parallel, and of course they have to share a point. So what is xb? Xb is minus 3a plus 6b. And it goes without saying, if you say minus 3a divided by minus a is 3, 6b divided by 2b is also 3. So generally we can say xb over xy is equals to 3, giving us xb is equals to 3xy. Now that these two vectors can be expressed as scalar multiples of each other, then we can say vector xb is parallel to vector xy. And because they both share point x, point x is common here and common there. Now that the two vectors share point x, then x, y, and b lie on a straight line. They lie on a straight line, or rather they are collinear. Okay, be advised. That is it. Thank you and take care.